and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck.
Leo!
Leo the truck.
Leo and Scoop are digging a pit for a large foundation.
Careful! I'm going to toss out some rocks.
Robots, move away from the edge.
Excavator Scoop needs to pull all the rocks out of the pit.
Leo?
Look how strong he is. This stone is very big and heavy.
It won't come out. I know, I can do it.
Time for a snack?
Leia, Leo, and Scoop went for lunch to recharge their energy. What are the robots doing? Are they trying to remove the rock? If you push it this way, the rock won't move at all. Do you have something in mind, Red Robot? A lever. That's a great idea. It's still not working. Even the weight of 2 robots is not enough. It's good that everyone's okay. Look, the purple robot has arrived with a bulldozer. He'll try to remove the rock with the bulldozer blade. Almost there. Oh no, the robot is going faster and faster. He's going to crash. Uh-oh. The blade is broken. A piece of metal broke off because of the crash. Have you fixed it? The blue robot wants to attach the broken part with Scotch tape. Do you think it's going to work? Friends are all charged up and are returning to the building site.
That's a great idea, robots. You got a bulldozer.
You guys push, and I'll pull.
Oh!
What happened? You could have just as well used glue. Or sew it back on.
Only refusing the blade will help.
What's it asking? Now I'm confused.
We don't refuse the blade. We fuse it. For that, we need a welding machine.
Here are all the parts. Now it's time to put them all together. Let's start with the cart. It's a blue platform with 2 wheels. A big body.
A tank with special inert gas.
This gas doesn't burn, and like an invisible shield, will protect the place the metal is melting. A hose and a valve to supply the gas. A control panel. Handles to move the welding machine around. A torch. An electrical board with a transformer. Rollers. They're needed to feed the metal wire, which helps to fuse the metal together. The wire can be attached to this holder.
Hold on.
We haven't picked out the wire yet.
This one looks right.
Yes, it's made of metal. The welding machine is all set. Now we can repair the bulldozer blade.
Stop! The welding helmet.
The helmet protects the person welding from sparks, hot metal, and the bright light that comes from welding.
Let's start.
The robot turns on the welding machine. Now a spark appears, which heats up the metal wire. The hot wire melts and connects the metal parts. Look, the broken piece looks like it's being glued back into place. Scoop, look away. It's too bright. You can only look when wearing the welding helmet.
Are you almost done?
Now it's all set, Scoop. The excavator pulls the stone and the bulldozer pushes it. Hooray! Robot, where are you going? It looks like the robot thinks welding can be a lot of fun.
Lifty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck.
Leo.
Leo the truck. The vegetables at the farm are all fully grown. Time to collect the carrots. The robots are driving the tractor and combine harvester. They're doing a wonderful job. The horse has seen its favorite treat. It really wants to munch on a carrot. Nom nom. So tasty. Careful, robots. There's a horse up ahead. The red robot has seen it, but the blue robot hasn't. Stop, robot. He's crashed. The combine harvester's overturned, but the horse managed to run off. Leo and Lifty have come just in time. The robot is okay, but not the combine harvester.
What happened here? There's a dog?
No, a carrot?
But with ears.
With horns? I don't understand.
I get it. We need to get the combine harvester fixed.
But the combine harvester won't fit through the tunnel. You'll have to take it apart.
We have to do it again.
Yes, Lifty. The tunnel is too narrow.
We'll take it apart, then put it together. Then take it apart again.
And then put it together.
Or we could make the tunnel wider.
That's a great idea, Leo. You'll have to make a tunnel boring machine.
Hello.
Hello, come with us.
To play?
To build a tunnel boring machine.
What for?
The combine harvester's broken.
Oh, wow!
Come with us.
This is the tunnel they need to get through to reach the workshop. It's too narrow. To make it wider, they'll need to make a tunnel boring machine. Let's build one. This is the chassis. It's made up of several parts. A belt. Debris will move along it. A big flat bucket. It'll collect chunks of rock cut from the walls. A cabin and a yellow case for the belts. Some seats, windows, warning lights, and doors.
Huh?
Caterpillar treads. And, most importantly, the tunneling shield. It's going to rotate and break down the smaller tunnel's walls to make a wider tunnel. The work is going to be noisy. The friends are putting on ear defenders.
Let's start.
The robots are going to need some hard hats. Bam! The robots have started the machine. The shield is rotating. They can make the tunnel wider. How interesting! The cars haven't seen anything like this before. Rocks are falling, and the tunnel is getting wider. Stop, Lifty. It's dangerous to go near the tunnel right now. The machine has left the tunnel. Now it's wide enough for the combine harvester.
Oh, wow! Great!
But how are we getting through the tunnel?
By the road.
Yes, but the road needs fixing. Scoop is cleaning up the rocks.
Leia and I will bring the asphalt.
Robots, you can bring the steamroller.
And I'll keep guard with Scoop here.
The robots are at the garage. They have to choose the right vehicle. Where's the steamroller, robots? There it is, on the right. Take the steamroller to the tunnel and grab some paint. Leo and Leia have brought some asphalt. Leo is pouring it out into the tunnel. And here's the steamroller. The steamroller is flattening the asphalt with its heavy cylinder.
Oh,
Some more asphalt. Now, let's paint some markings.
The tunnel's all done.
where's the combine harvester?
It's already on its way to the workshop. Soon it'll be fixed, and everyone will be able to work on the harvest. Lifty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo. Leo the truck. The cars are building a railroad.
Lower! Lower!
The crane is lowering the rails in place. The red robot is operating the crane.
Right! Left! Forward a little. Okay, now right again. It's going so slowly. Lower it! It's not slow at all. Look how many we've done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've placed 5 rails today. Yes, but there's so many left. Maybe 1,000. I'd rather go home to bake cookies.
What if Scoop's right?
It takes a very long time to build a railroad.
Yes, we've got to think of something.
Otherwise, it will take us forever.
Any ideas?
Let's make a car for laying down the track.
A brilliant idea, Leo. Only it would be a train, not a car. It's called a track renewal train. With its help, you could lay the rails quickly and evenly. Leo has brought the parts for the track renewal train. Let's start putting it together. The chassis. Look, robot. These are the special wheels that'll travel along the rails. The yellow parts are for the train's body. Everyone's wondering what's next. The crane arm. And this is the gantry crane, a tool that will take the rails and lay them down. The control levers and a place for the track renewal train's operator. The track renewal train is ready. The blue robot is already in place. He's checking that everything is working.
Do you see? It's ready.
But where are the rails?
Huh?
The rails should go in the track renewal train's carriage. Where can we get them? Here are some. Well done, robots.
Here they are.
Leia saw the rails first. Robots, slow down. The carriage with the rails is now fastened to the track renewal train. Blue robot, let's get to work. Our robot is operating the controls. The crane releases its grip and lifts the rails up. The track renewal train is working so quickly.
Now this is quick.
Wow! The train is already coming out of the tunnel. The railroad is getting longer and longer.
All done before evening. Thanks, robots.
The purple and red robots are very pleased. But the blue robot looks tired. Scoop has come back with cookies, but there isn't anyone around.
Who wants a cookie?
Everyone's gone to the farm on the train. Catch up, Scoop.
Where are they? Hey, wait for me.
Lefty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo. Leo the truck.
The friends are traveling on the ferry today.
Uh-huh.
Leia's really watching where they're going.
seashell islands up ahead.
Yeah!
Cast the anchor.
The ferry reached the island. The friends are taking their toys along and going for a stroll. It's wonderful being in the sun.
Lucky and I are going to collect seashells.
Lucky is a stuffed bunny rabbit, Leia's favorite toy. The friends also brought a ball to the island and remote control cars.
I am the fastest here.
Oh, that was high.
Whoa. I've got skills too.
It looks like you need to cool down.
Have some water.
That's a picnic basket.
Apples, cookies. Where's the water?
There it is. The robots are relaxing under the umbrella and drinking water.
Huh?
Scoop, don't get angry.
Lucky and I went round the whole island and got so many shells. Can I have something to drink, please?
The robots drank all the water.
Oh.
Then let's get some water from here. From the island.
And then we'll dig a deep borehole.
Let's build a drill then.
That's a lot of parts.
I'll go dig in the meantime.
Leo has started building everything. The cabin goes on the gray platform. This orange platform is for fixing the drill onto. The angle brackets to hold the drill's pipe. The fenders and fuel tank. The control levers. Four props. The wheels. 2 on one side and 2 on the other. The guide for the drill's pipe. The pipe and the drill head, which will burrow into the ground. We'll fix the guide and the pipe to the truck on an orange pivot. Wow! Scoop dug such a big hole. But to get to the water, we'll need to dig a bit deeper. That means we need more parts to make the pipe even longer. The drill is ready.
Scoop, come on out.
Well done, you. Now it's time to use the drill. The truck's driven up to the hole and has put out its props. The drilling apparatus goes down. The pipe keeps getting longer and longer.
How is it? Does it still need time? We will see now.
Wow! A fountain has sprung up from the ground below. There's so much water.
We need a tap. Quickly!
A hook won't stop the water. What about the button?
Here it is, a tap.
The robot has quickly put the tap on the pipe.
Oh, can I have some water, please?
Of course you can.
Me too.
Now the friends won't get so hot under the sun.
Let's have some races now. Who's coming?
The friends are playing happily again. I wonder where they get their strength from.
Lifty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo. Leo the truck.
On the farm, the cars have grown some healthy vegetables. Time to get the harvest in. Robots, stop messing about. Lifty is bringing some crates.
I'm nearly there.
No, robot, that's not a ball, you know.
Oh.
Lifty has brought some crates for the vegetables. Let's harvest the carrots. And the beetroots. And the cabbages.
Cabbages. Beetroots. Carrots.
Lifty, the robots are tired.
Yeah, there's too much for us to do. We need help.
Lifty is right. To collect a big harvest, the farm needs a combine harvester. I wonder who's got one.
We'll take this part off. Huh? Leo!
I'm on my way.
Leo is bringing a part in his body which needs to be fixed to the combine harvester. It's a reaper. It lets the machine pull vegetables out of the ground.
Whee!
Hi there.
Leo and Leia have built the combine harvester.
Let's go to the farm.
The red robot is going to drive the huge vehicle. Watch out! There's a tunnel ahead.
Whoa.
What's wrong? Are you stuck?
And what now?
Has the robot thought of something? He's pressing the accelerator. Stop! The combine harvester is too big.
Hello? Need any help? Hello, Scoop. The tunnel is too narrow. The combine harvester can't get past. I can make it wider quickly.
Scoop wants to widen the tunnel using his scoop.
Stop! The tunnel is very long. You'd need to dig for at least a week.
Let's get the combine harvester unstuck first.
Scoop is pulling with all his might. Lifty too.
Leah, push.
I'm pushing.
Hooray!
They've rescued the combine harvester. But how to get it to the farm? Oh dear.
I know.
They need to take the huge combine harvester apart so they can take the small parts through the tunnel. Headlights. Windows. Leo is taking the combine harvester apart like a construction toy.
Usually, we build machines. Are you sure we can manage this, Leo?
Of course, we'll manage.
Quickly! Let's get the parts!
They need to take all the parts to the farm. Leia and Leo are carrying them in their bodies. Lifty is helping push the combine harvester's body with his forks. This robot is taking the headlights. Scoop has the exhaust pipe. Hooray! The purple robot can see his friends. All the parts are here. Now we can put them back together. The headlights, the steering wheel and driver's seat, the windshield, the wheels, the reaper, the exhaust pipe.
We've managed it after all.
Let's get to work.
The combine harvester is collecting the vegetables. Are you ready, Leo?
Yep.
Let's go! These carrots grew in the field, but now they're in Leo's body. Leo's body is full.
Hooray! Now it's my turn!
We'll collect the beetroots in Leia's body. Goodness me, what a huge pile of vegetables. And another one.
Carrots, beetroots, and cabbages. So many.
The harvest is finished. Let's go and play.
Great idea, Scoop.
Huh?
Lifty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo.
Leo, the truck. This is a wheat field. Leia and Leo want to play here.
Uh-huh.
What game have they thought of?
Huh? Hmm?
Leia, go and find Leo. The wheat is so tall that the cars can hide in it.
Oh. Hmm. The wheat is already ripe.
Time to harvest it!
Let's get the combine harvester.
This is Scoop, the excavator's house. Scoop is cooking something.
And up. 3 eggs. Sugar.
Are you going to put the apple in too?
Flour. Oh.
Scoop, you've run out of flour.
Oh.
There's none in the drawer, and none in the cupboard either. And of course, there's none in the fridge.
Oh, let's go to Lifty's shop.
And here's the combine harvester. It collects the wheat in the truck's body.
Oh, me first.
Look, the wheat grain is pouring into Leia's body.
La, la, la. What a lot of wheat.
Hi there. 1 bag of flour, please. No, 2, please. No, wait, 3.
Now Scoop will buy flour and make some tasty cookies.
Lifty!
1 minute. Scoop, this is salt. And this is sugar. But I've run out of flour.
There's no more flour, but Leo and Leia have harvested all the wheat. Look how much they've got.
Hello?
Have you got any flour?
No flour, but we do have.
Wheat. Huh? Hi.
We need a windmill.
What a good idea, Leo. With a windmill, you can grind up the wheat grains and make flour. What a lot of parts. Those gray wheels are the millstones. They are what will grind the wheat to make the flour for Scoop. We need 2 axles with gear wheels to turn the millstones. A ramp. Windows. And a roof. Robots, what are you doing with those blades? The robots are waving them around like wings.
Robot! I need flour to make cookies.
The blades are in position. They turn when the wind blows on them. The millstones are turning. Leia, pour in the grain.
How beautiful!
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Flour!
What a lot of wheat we made.
Yeah.
Lifty has brought some empty bags. He needs some flour too. And Scoop has got what he needs for his cookies. Sugar, apples, eggs.
And flour.
The little cars have come to visit Lifty.
Who wants cookies?